Sorry. Which foot did he step on?
The one I have fillings in.
It makes a noise. Have you ever guys seen the streaks of energy in here? The streaks of light in here before? You've never seen it? It's pretty cool. It's like green, blue looking streaks. Have you ever been in the fire room? It's the same thing. It's like streaks. I've seen it on the pipe. It's like a bluish green streak. Most people have seen it. I saw it last time. She saw it. She got a good, she was over there and it pulled her hair real good on there. We're done. You stepped on her foot. And look at K2 up there. I'm not really like the ball now. Y'all ever like the ball now? Y'all like going in the ball now?
It seems like
I like it here, but everybody's always
Too many people in there.
yes, everybody's always packed. Yeah.
They just lift them up a little bit more.
Yeah. Did you hear anything with this? We got this cemetery after the news of it. Yeah. You're getting a little bit of it right there. Almost.
Yeah, I don't even know what to
It's
do in a
coming back.
minute.
It's coming back.
Well, you don't stuff my toes in. Yeah,
It's trying to find your hair.
that's the side. It hurts bad, fine.
Were you crying?
Yeah, it hurts.
when you step on your foot.
Yeah. If he weighs over 200 pounds.
I got the tape on it. The camera when it's recording to that blue light, that's a glorious shit.
I think you got a K2 or something hooked up to the front of it. You know, you guys come over, you come in here and it's like a lot of high-tech professional stuff. You know, I put them on hand. That's stuff like you got. You can't pull anything that's not the plan.
Are you ready for us to leave yet? So you can go back to work.